At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. The Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire is a simple yet important screening tool designed to help individuals determine if they're ready to engage in physical activity or exercise programs. Developed by the Canadian Society for Exercise Physiology, the PARQ identifies potential health risks that may require further evaluation by a healthcare professional before starting any exercise regimen. While it's not a full medical history, it's a great way to uncover possible health issues and identify pre-existing conditions that could be worsened by physical activity. The questionnaire consists of 7 yes or no questions that touch on different aspects of a person's health history, like chest pain during exercise, balance problems, bone or joint issues, prescribed medications, and other health concerns. For healthcare practitioners or fitness professionals, the PARQ plays a key role in ensuring the safety of people who want to become more active. Using our free PRAQ form is easy and offers critical insights into a person's readiness to engage in physical activity, whether it's self-guided or recommended by a fitness coach or healthcare provider. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. Introduce the PARQ. Explain to your client or patient the purpose of the PARQ, why it's important and how it assesses their readiness for physical activity. Be sure to emphasize the need for honest and complete answers. Administer the questionnaire. Give your client the PARQ form, making sure they understand every question. Allow them enough time to complete it on their own and encourage them to ask if they need clarification. Review the responses. Once they're done, review their answers. If they've answered no to all questions, they're likely ready to engage in physical activity. If they've answered yes to any question, move on to the next step. Discuss any concerns. For clients who answer yes to any of the questions, dig deeper into their health history to understand their risks. Discuss concerns like heart attacks or the potential for losing consciousness during exercise. If needed, refer them to a physician for a more comprehensive evaluation. Make sure to document their answers and any doctor referrals in their file. Follow up with the client to ensure they've received medical clearance before starting or continuing an exercise program. You can also regularly update the PARQ as part of ongoing client care. There are several situations where the PARQ should be used. For new clients, when someone is just starting out with an exercise program, sedentary individuals, if a client has been inactive for a while and wants to become more physically active, it is essential to administer the PARQ. Changes in health status. If a client's health changes like a new diagnosis or injury, re-administer the PARQ to make sure the exercise plan is still appropriate. Annual check-ins. It's a good idea to re-administer the PARQ every year as part of regular client monitoring. Special populations. The PARQ is crucial for specific groups like older adults, pregnant women, or people with chronic conditions. These individuals may have special health considerations that require extra screening and guidance before engaging in physical activity. Here's a sample of our Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire to give you an idea of how it can be used in your practice. To explore more templates or learn how Carepatron can simplify your practice management, visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.